Today I'm going to be unboxing, or rather unbagging or unwrapping, the Hobonichi Techo 2024 Weeks Planner plus cover on cover. Let's go. So this is the Hobonichi Weeks 2024 English edition Monday start and the cover on cover that you can buy separately. Now, I purchased mine here in Sydney, Australia from the Milligram store, and you can check out their online website below in the description. I have also added these two items in my Amazon storefront, so you can check that out. I, like many others, have seen these Hobonichi planners on Instagram, and I have admired them from afar. Now, I don't know much about it apart from wanting to try it out for the new year. So for those of you in the know, I'd love for you to let me know in the comments section below your favorite Hobonichi YouTubers and Instagram accounts so I can get some inspiration. So for today's video, I will be looking at its features and later down the track, make some videos prior to the new year to show you how I'm going to use it and for what purpose. So this is the Hobonichi Techo 2024 Weeks, January and a Monday start. So this is the back of it, and it shows you a little diagram of the week spread right at the back. So let's open her up. You get this little pamphlet with cute little drawings and doodles, and it shows you all the different Hobonichi planners available. So let's put that aside. The color is pale blue-green from their paper series. So this color is in a pretty mint blue, and it's covered with these delicate powder-like glitter on the whole cover. And see how it shines beautifully depending on the light. The cover has a slight rough touch to it. It's a thick cardstock, and the 2024 is foiled pressed in gold at the front, the spine, and it's got the Hobonichi crest right at the bottom corner right here. Now, I love its sleekness and minimalistic design, and the lovely glitter on the hardcover is a nice touch. Now, I love its small, compact size, so it's a great planner to pop in my smaller bags when I'm out and about. Now, it measures at 7.4 inch lengthwise, 3.7 inch width, and depth at 0.4 inch or 188 millimeter by 94 millimeter and 9 millimeter. Now it's time to have a look inside. So it's got the Hobonichi lining at the front and at the back, and it comes with this clear adhesive corner pocket. So I'll figure out later the best place to pop that on, whether to pop it here at the front or at the back. Let's put that aside again. The planner has 240 pages, and the paper is this thin, light Tomoe River paper, I think it's called, which is, they say, is resistant to bleeding. Now, I've had a look at the Hobonichi site, and it says that the Hobonichi Techo's Tomoe River paper is designed to prevent bleed through, but some fountain pens and water-based ink pens may not be compatible with this paper. So for sure, I'm going to do a swatch test of the pens, highlighters, and markers that I use to see if the ink will bleed through, or check the ghosting effect and how long it takes for the ink to dry on the surface. This is the English edition, which only comes in a January start. So let's have a flip through of the pages. So it's got the hardcover, Hobonichi Techo 2024 Weeks. You've got the 2024 index calendar, 2023 and 2025. And at the bottom here, it has space for important dates. And this is the 2024 spread right here. So there's not a lot of writing space on the columns of each month. So I'm going to see that maybe I might use it as some form of tracker, maybe a workout tracker, or maybe a moods tracker. I'll have to see exactly what I want to use this 2024 spread for. And then we have the monthly spread here, starting at December 2023. It has a grid paper, and the grid paper measures at 3.55 millimeters, and it's a Monday start calendar. So this is a great way to plan the month, write down special events and tasks for each month. So you've got December, January 2024, up to June, July, August, and it keeps going to February, March 2025. And here it features a weekly layout, which will allow me to plan out my entire week at a glance. And it starts at the last week of November, and December is where you can start planning ahead prior to 2024. Now, the thing that I'm looking forward to from what I've seen others use it is that it can be incredibly customizable. I'll be able to add stickers, washi tapes, or even draw my own doodles and drawings, so I can easily make it truly my own. Although I'm sure I'm going to get lots of planner inspirations from those already in the know. I think from what I've seen, I may use this little area here. I don't know if you can see, there's little dot markings right on each line between each day, so I can create a little line to separate this page. So the left-hand side, there is no grid, so it's plain, but because it is quite a thin paper, you can see through the other grid, so that'll help you write nice and straight. There's a faint line that's a little bit thicker than the grid that you separate. So I'm thinking from what I've seen others use it for, let me grab my Kina Prints Lola stickers. So this is my Filofax Pocket, the original in the color Midnight Blue. And this is where I house my Kina Prints digital stickers that I printed on sticker paper, and I've cut it to size so then it fits nicely in a pocket planner. And so each of these stickers, the character is named Lola from Kina Prints. The link will be in this description below. So I'm thinking I'm going to use these stickers as my mood stickers. So when I write in the morning of each day, I can put these stickers. Let's have a look. Let's pop this one here, for example. This one is a migraine sticker, so if I do wake up with a migraine like I did today, I can pop that there. So it's a great way for me to see visually how my mood is each morning. So that's an idea that I have seen other Hobonichi planners use. Now, some other ways I can think of using this 2024 Hobonichi weeks is I can add in a gratitude log. I can also maybe track my fitness goals. And like I said, I'm thinking of maybe writing my daily content creation ideas and tasks. So each week up to the end of December, so yes, the last week of December, you have the weekly layout. And each day also has a moon phase. Now at the back pages, you've got useful abbreviations, a notes index page. So the English version has 73 grid pages at the back, and it's numbered at the bottom here, so then you can write in your index notes what pages you're going to be writing in. So yeah, I can use this for books I've read, TV shows I've watched, movies I've watched. So any other collections I think will be great to add in here. So let's have a look. 73 pages, 72, 73. Now the other things at the back, using things around you to measure. So thumb to pointer finger. So there's a little centimeter ruler here. So my finger here, it spans at 17 centimeters. And then other things that you can use. So measure from your elbow to the tip of your fingers, how long that is. Heel to toe with shoes on, And then you've got size of common items at the bottom. It has a spot for your favorite things, so you can write in the date, write all the details, whether it's a movie, book, music, meal, shopping, and clapping. So I'm presuming things that you love to celebrate, maybe. So it says, this is a great place to list rankings for movies, books, music, restaurants, events, games, and much more on a sliding scale of 5 stars. Is there anything that you want to take note of for 2024 of favorite things? My 100, make a list of up to 100 entries for anything you want. Things to accomplish this year, books you've read, movies you've seen, snacks you've tried, shops you want to visit. It's up to you. So then it highlights every 10th list for you. So that's 100 things, an interview with myself. This is a section for thinking about you. Fill in the answers and read them over and over again once in a while, and maybe you'll discover something new about yourself. So you can write in different things. This part of me deserves praise. If I had a week off, I would. So that's a great way to write things down as part of your self-care. It has seasonal sweets to make at home, strawberry frozen yogurt, 365 days check-off sheet. So that's a nice little habit tracker, contact list. So that's just one page, and then your information at the back and a little hard back cover there. So that's the 2024 weeks planner. Now it does say that the dye on the cover may stain other objects if it rubs against it or it sticks to them, especially if the cover gets wet from water or sweat from your hands. So they say it's a good idea to have a clear cover, and that is why I also bought this cover for the Hobonichi weeks. So this cover will help protect not only the planner itself, but then other things it may come in contact with when I do pop it in the bag when I'm out and about. So let's just open this up. So I wanted to make sure I also bought the cover that specifically goes with this planner. So then I know that it will fit and I won't have to worry whether I bought something that doesn't specifically go with the Hobonichi weeks. So let's have a look at the clear cover. Now it has this sideways bookmark that I think I don't want to rip it in case I break it. So I'll do that off camera. So I think this, when it comes off it, you can then place it as a bookmark for when the cover is on. It has 2 card-sized pockets, one at the front, one at the back. I'll probably most likely put some pictures of my family there, and it has a place to store your pen. Now let's pop her on. There we are. It also comes with 2 little page markers, one in black, one in gray. So one could be for your monthly spread, and one can be for your current week. There we go. So now I don't have to worry about the hardcover getting any markings or stain on it. And if I wanted to, I can also slip some other things at the cover if I wanted to customize it even more. And then this also becomes a nice little slip pocket for other things you want to pop at the front or the back. Now, on the Milligram store, the Hobonichi Weeks Planner is at Australian dollars $49.99, while the clear cover is $7.99 Australian dollar. Like I said, I did add these 2 items in my Amazon storefront, so check the link in the description below for the price in your currency. Now this pale blue-green Hobonichi Weeks color will coordinate really well with my Hobonichi Techo cousin in A5 with the cover in violets, and this will go nicely with my brand colorings too. So to check out the unboxing of this Hobonichi, watch this video right here, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.